In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a watermark in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. To get started, click Design at the top of the ribbon, then go over to Page Background and click Watermark. Word has a set of example ones that you can use: confidential, do not copy, draft as soon as possible, and urgent. If these meet your needs, then just select it once, and this is what it'll look like: a grey washed out wording behind your text. However, if you want to add some more customization to that, or the wording isn't quite right, we can go back to Watermark and click Custom Watermark. In this pop-up, it will give you three options: no watermark, which is simply no watermark; a picture watermark, maybe a company logo. Now, what we're looking for is the text watermark. Here is where we can add in the type of text that you want. With text watermark now selected, we're going to be looking at changing what the text says. For example, it's currently set as soon as possible, but this document is my version 1. So I'm going to change it to that. So I'm going to type in version 1, just like this. I'm going to keep the font the same, but you can change it if you want. The size, I'm going to select 144. I'm going to keep it semi-transparent, so that way you can still read the text, but clearly it is watermarked. The color by default is this gray color. You can change this. I'm going to select this blue. And then I'm going to keep the layout as diagonal because I think it looks the best. Then when you're happy, click Apply and then click Close. And there is the watermark behind your text. For most people, their next step is to print that document. So press Ctrl P, and this is what it will look like if printed. So you can make adjustments if need be. If you want to change or remove the watermark, select Design, click Watermark, and then click Remove, or Custom Watermark if you want to make some changes. If this video has helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about watermarks and how you can make them using your headers and footers, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.